How to wire a three-way switch. First, we run the ground to the ground terminal or green screw. Then we connect the phase to the black screw or common. The neutral wire goes directly to the light. Then we run the ground wire to our second switch on the ground terminal. Now we connect our traveler's wire to the gold screw in both of the switches. After we run our last ground wire to the light, following by our return or black wire from the black screw or common terminal to the light. If you follow my instructions now, you will be able to turn on and off your light from two different locations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and press the like button so I can bring more content like this.